Good morning, students. Now here the discussion about the what is the application of the tangent normal. Okay. Now here find the value of a and b. The slope of the curve at 1 and minus 1 is minus 1. So slope of the curve means what is the dy by dx. Now first, now here given 2y square ax square plus b. Okay. Now here given. Now suppose equation number 1. Now differentiating with respect to x. Okay. So what is the derivative of y square? Now 2y with respect to x. Now dy by dx equal to a. What is the derivative of x square? 2x. What is the derivative of constant? Now 0. Okay. Now 2 cancel out, or dy by dx equal to ax divided by 2y. Okay. Now the slope of the curve at 1 minus 1 is minus 1. So at 1 minus 1, what is the dy by dx? X equal to 1, y equal to minus 1, substitute a minus 2. Okay. Now equal to given here, given now dy by dx minus 1, dy by dx equal to minus 1 implies a by minus 2 equal to minus 1 implies a equal to 2. Okay. Find the value of a and b. Now here substitute a equal to 2. What is the value find out? At x equal to 1 and minus 1. So at x equal to 1 and minus 1, then x equal to 1, 1 plus 2 into minus 1 the square plus a into equal to a into 1 the square plus b. A equal to 2. Now substitute here. 2 equal to 2 plus b, because a equal to 1. So 2 cancel out. So plus b equal to 0. Therefore, find the value of a and b. So a equal to 2 and b equal to 0. This is the answer. Okay. For 4 marks, this is a 4 marks. Okay. Now second question. Another question is, find the point on the line at which the tangent line is parallel to the line. Is parallel to the last class I will discuss parallel to the line, perpendicular. Parallel means slope of AB equal to slope of M1 and M2 are equal. If their slope are equal, then we said that two lines are parallel to each other. So here solution. Now here given y equal to x cube minus 2x square minus x. Okay. So what is the slope of the tangent? Find out slope. Now dy by dx equal to 3x square minus 6x minus 1. Sorry, this is 4x. 2 to 4, 3x square. Okay. Now here what is the slope of the line? Here y equal to 3x minus 2. Now y equal actually mx plus c. Yes or no? So here m equal to 3. Now tangent line are parallel to the line. Parallel to the line means so here dy by dx equal to 3. So 3x square minus 4x minus 1 equal to 3. If perpendicular, this equal minus 1. Okay. Or 3x square minus 4x minus 4 equal to 0. Now solve the equation. What is the x find out? We know that ax square bx plus c equal to 0. Then x equal to what is the value? Minus b plus 1 root over b square minus 4ac by 2a. This is a formula. Now same logic here use. X equal to minus b plus or minus root over b square 16 minus 4ac 4ac 4ac, c means minus 4. Okay, divided by 2a, 2 into 3. or this part equal to 4 plus or minus is 16 plus 16 into 3, 48 by 6. So 4 plus or minus how much? 64. 64. Root over 64 equal to 6. 8. 8 by 6. Okay. So x equal to 1 is plus 6 plus 8 by 6 equal to how much? 14 by 6 equal to 7 by 3. And another x equal to 6 minus 8 by 6. So minus 2 by 6 equal to minus 1 by 3. Now here x equal to 1 is x equal to 2 by 7 by 3. Now substitute here x. Then what is the y? Find out. So at x equal to 7 by 3. So then y becomes 7 by 3 rho whole cube minus 2 into 7 by 3 rho whole square minus 7 by 3. Now solve this one, we get the answer. Another is at x equal to minus 1 by 3. What is the y? Find out. Okay, now this is the answer. Okay, find the points. Points means more than one on that card. Okay, at which here this is x equal to 7 by 3. 1 is y equal to, after getting solving you will get the answer. Now second one at x equal to minus 1 by 3. What is the y? Find out. Okay. Now this was question. Another question is, now next is, another question is, find the equation of tangent and normal to the parabola. Now y square equal to 4x at the point. Now this is a parabola. When x equal to 0, y equal to 0. X is positive because y square is given. This is a parabola. This is a y square equal to 4ax. Okay. Now at 80 square to 80 at suppose this is at a t square to 80. So what is the this is the equation of tangent. Find out. And this is a p, t is the equation of tangent. This is a p and is the equation of normal. This is the p. Okay. So what is the equation of tangent formula? So equation of tangent. What is the formula? Y minus y1 equal to dy by dx at x1 y1 into x minus x1. This is equation of tangent. Okay. This is already discussed last class. And another is the equation of normal. What is the equation of normal? Y minus y1 minus 1 by dy by dx at x1 y1 into x minus x1. Okay, because the slope of the tangent into slope of the normal equal minus 1 because these two are perpendicular to each other. Okay, the slope of the normal equal minus 1 by slope of the tangent. Now here given x1, this is x1 and this is the y1. This is given. So what is the dy by dx? Find out at the x1 y1. Okay, now here given y square equal to 4ax. Okay, now suppose the equation number 1. This is a 1. Let's say this is a 2. Or we can write ab. Now this is a 3. Let us say. Now differentiating with respect to x. What is the derivative of y square? 2y into dy by dx. 4a. What is the derivative of x? Is 1. Okay. Or dy by dx equal to 2a by y. Okay. 2 to cancel out 2a by y. Okay. Now at 80 square 280. So what is the dy by dx? Find out. Now dy by dx equal to 2a. What is the y? Now y equal to 280. Now 280. Now 2 into cancel out 1 by t. Okay. This is a dy by dx at this point. Okay. Therefore, the equation of tangent y minus y1, y minus, what is the y1? This is the y1. 280 dy by dx is 1 by t. X minus x1, what is x1? Equal to a t square. Okay, now by on simplification, now by multiplying t, ty or yt minus 2at t square by cross multiplication, x minus at square, okay, or yt equal to x plus at square. So minus, that side is plus 8 square plus 2at square equal to 8 square. Now this is the equation of tangent. Okay, next one equation number. Now equation of normal. Use the formula y minus y1, y minus 2at equal to minus 1 by means minus 1 by 1 by t. So 1 by 1 by t, or you can write t also, you can write x minus x1 at square, or y minus 2at minus t into x minus at square, or you can write y plus tx equal to 80q plus 2at. Now this is the equation of normal. Okay, that means here curve is given, find equation tangent normal to the parabola. Any curve is given, this equation of parabola, we know that. Okay, from 2D, 2-dimensional. Now at the point is given, let us say at x equal to t square 280. Okay, now so this is a formula. What is the equation of tangent? This is a formula, and this is a normal. Now here given x1, y1, these two are given, but find the derivatives. Okay, from that part, what the derivatives find out? I substitute, we get slope, then use the formula, we get this to our answer. Okay, now another question is, find the equation of normal to the curve, not this one. Okay, now here out of 2 points, only 1 point is given, x equal to given. Now here, now x equal to 0, what is the y find out? Y equal to, what is the value of sin 0? Is 0. So 2 into 0, so 0. The coordinate is 0, 0. So actually there are 2 points, but out of 2 points, 1 point is given. Curve, here curve is given. Now x equal to given. Now substitute x equal to 0. What is the y? Find out. Now here y equal to 0 because sin 0 equal to 0. Okay. Now, so what is the equation normal? The equation of normal y minus y1 equal to minus 1 by dy by dx into x minus x1. This is equation normal. Okay. Already discussed about this one. This is the equation normal. Okay. Now here from the curve, y will be given. So what is the dy by dx find out? What is the derivative of x cube? 3x square into 2, 6x square. What is the derivative of sin x? Is cos x, 3 cos x. Now at 0, 0, what is the dy by dx? X equal 0, x square 0, cos 0 equal to 1. So 3. Okay. So therefore, the equation normal is y minus y1 0 minus 1 by dy by dx 3 into x minus 0, or 3y equal to minus x, or 3y plus x equal to 0. Now this is the answer. Okay. Now here find the equation normal to the curve. Out of 2 point, 1 point is given, x equal to 0 is given. Now substitute x here. Okay. Now suppose here, so out of suppose 1 point is given. Another point, now substitute here curve. Suppose given. Here question let us say x equal to 8 square is given. Let us say another point is not given. Find the value of another point. So here y square equal to 4a into 8 square or 4a square t square. So y equal to 280. So plus or minus 1 is 280. Now suppose out of 2 points 1 is given. Then find the other point. If suppose there are 2 points is given, so then find either you can find out. Okay. Now next one is okay. Now another question is find the tangent to the curve. Find the equation tangent to the curve. Here curve is given y equal to cos of x plus y, where x lies between 0 to 5. Okay, which is parallel to the line. So parallel to the line. Okay, so parallel to the line means the slope of the tangent and slope of the given line are equal because parallel. Okay, now here, so first write the formula. So equation of tangent y minus y1 dy by dx at x1 y1 into x minus x1. This is the equation tangent, formula of the equation tangent. Okay. Now here y equal to given cos of x plus y. Okay. Now what is that dy by dx find out? Now dy by dx equal to, we know that what is the derivative of cos x? Minus sine of x plus y. Then function of function derivative of x equal to 1 plus dy by dx or minus sine of x plus y minus sine of into dy by dx. Okay. Now take out common dy by dx. Here 1 minus this side is plus sine of x plus y equal to minus sine of x plus y, or you can write now dy by dx equal to minus sine of x plus y divided by 1 plus sine of x plus y. Okay, but here one line is given x plus 2y equal to 0 or y equal to minus 1 by 2x. Okay, so here the slope of the tangent is parallel to the line. Now that means here minus, if you compare y equal to mx plus c, so m is the slope. Now slope equal to minus 1 by 2. Now here therefore minus sine x plus y into 1 plus sine x plus y equal to minus 1 by 2. So minus minus cancel out. Now by cross multiplication 2 into sine of x plus y equal to 1 plus sine of x plus y, or sine of x plus y equal to 1. Okay. Now here 2 into sine of x plus y, and this side 2 of sine of x plus y minus sine of x equal to 1. Okay. Now if sine theta equal to 1, what is about theta? Theta equal to 90. So x plus y equal to pi by 2. Okay. Now x plus y equal to pi by 2. Now substitute here. So y equal to x plus y equal to pi by 2. Cos 90. What is cos 90? Now 0. So y equal to 0 means x equal to pi by 2. Okay. Therefore, use the formula. Therefore, the equation of tangent equal to y minus y1. What is the y1? is 0. What is the slope? Is minus 1 by 2 into x minus 1 pi by 2, or 2y equal to minus of x minus pi by 2, or 2y plus x equal to pi by 2. Now this is answer, equation of tangent. Okay. Now another question is here. Find the equation of tangent to the line, but here is parametric form given. X is a function of theta, y is a function of x is a function of theta, and y is a function of theta, and theta equal to pi by 4. Okay. So solution is, now at theta equal to pi by 4. What is the x? What is the cos pi by 4? 1 by root 2, or root 2 minus 1 by root 2. Okay. Similar, y equal to pi by 4 minus sin pi by 4 1 by root 2 equal to, what is the LCM? So 2 root 2. 4 root 2. 4 root 2 means, alright, this one. Okay. Therefore, dy by dx equal to dy by d theta into d theta by dx by using chain rule. Okay. Or we can write dy by d theta divided by dx by d theta. So what is the dy by d theta? Find out. Now dy by d theta equal to 1 minus cos theta. Okay. What is the dx by d theta? Now dx by d theta equal to derivative of constant equal to 0, derivative cos theta minus sin theta, so minus and plus, so sin theta. Okay. Now therefore dy by dx equal to 1 minus cos theta by sin theta. Now at theta equal to pi by 4, now dy by dx equal to 1 minus 1 by root 2 by 1 by root 2. Okay. Or this part equal to root 2 minus 1 by 1, or root 2 minus 1. This is the problem. This is the slope of the tangent. So find the equation of tangent. This is the formula. Write the formula. So therefore, the equation of tangent y minus y1. What is the y1? This is the y1. Pi by 4 minus 1 by root 2 into dy by dx. This is the dy by dx. Root 2 minus 1 into x minus x1. What is x1? This is x1. Okay. Or we write this one. And you write. Okay. Or root 2 minus 1 by root 2. Okay. Now after simplification, we get the equation of tangent. Okay. Now next one is, the question is, so that the line, this is a very important question. Very important question. So the line touches to the parabola. Now this is a parabola. Okay. Now this is a line. This is a line. Y equal to mx plus, and this is a parabola. Y square equal to 4ax. Now this line is touches to a parabola. Condition is if c equal to this one. If c equal to this one. Okay. Now is solution. So what is the coordinate of both? This is a p, find out. Okay. Then substitute y and line and the parabola. Okay. Now here given y square equal to 4ax. So what is the slope of the curve? Now differentiating with respect to x. What is the derivative of y square? 2y dy by dx. What is the derivative of x? 4a is constant, derivative of x equal to 1. Now 4a, or dy by dx equal to 2a by y. So that means slope of the tangent. Okay. Now slope of the tangent means this is the slope. So here, therefore, m equal to 2a by y or y equal to 2a by m. Now this point also lies on the line. Now substitute here y equal to mx plus c. So y equal to how much? 2a by m equal to mx plus c or 2a by m minus c equal to mx. So what is the x find out? X equal to 2a minus mc by m. Now this is x आ गया and this is y भी आ गया. What is the y? This is y. Now x and y both are lies on this curve. Now y square equal to 4ax. Y square means 2a by m whole square. 4a into x or the x. This is x. 2a minus mc by m. Okay. Now 4a square by m square equal to 4a 2a minus mc by m. Now 4 1a m cancel out. Okay. Now by for a equal to how much? Multiply करो. So 2a m minus mc square. Okay. Y square equal to 4y square equal to 4ax. What is x? This is x. dy by dx equal to 2a by m mx plus c or 2a by m minus c mx x. So now okay, now your x equal to now this 2a m square. Okay, now you substitute m square. Now m square cancel out. So then finally it becomes so a equal to 2a minus mc or mc equal to a, c equal to a by m. Now prove. Now c equal to a by m. Okay. Now c equal to a. What is the condition when the line touches to the parabola? Same logic. Suppose this is instead of a parabola, suppose is given ellipse. What is the ellipse formula? X square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1. If now c equal to a square m square plus b square. Now same logic here used and same process. Find out this is the c for ellipse. Now this is the second one and third one is suppose you take hyperbola. What is the equation of hyperbola? X square by a square minus y square by b square equal to 1 if c equal to root of a square m square minus b square. This is a condition. Okay, this to our homework. Okay, now next class we will discuss about what is the increase function and decrease function. Okay.